Welcome to Turbo Rider. Today we are diving review the 2025 Harley Davidson Street Glide is here, and it's redefining the art of touring. This bike blends Harley's legendary heritage with the latest technology, creating a perfect balance of power, comfort, and style for riders who crave the open road. Power and performance. At the heart of the Street Glide lies the Milwaukee-Eight 117V twin engine, a 1,923 cubic centimeters powerhouse that delivers around 105 horsepower and 176 Newton-meters of torque. The throttle response is instant, and the exhaust note is pure Harley soul. With ride modes like road, sport, rain, and custom, it adapts perfectly to every condition, making it one of the most versatile baggers on the market. Design and comfort. The 2025 model features the iconic Batwing fairing, now aerodynamically refined for better wind protection and rider comfort. The seat height is around 26.4 inches, giving a relaxed riding posture for long-distance cruising. Its LED lighting setup adds a modern and premium touch, while the overall design stays true to Harley's bold and muscular stance. Technology and features. This Street Glide comes with a 12.3-inch color TFT touchscreen display, offering navigation, connectivity, and full infotainment control. Harley has also equipped it with cornering ABS, traction control, and advanced suspension, making every ride safer and smoother. You'll also find hand-adjustable rear shocks and large saddlebags for touring convenience. Pricing and verdict. Starting at around $27,749 in the US, the 2025 Street Glide isn't cheap, but it's worth every dollar for the comfort, technology, and prestige it brings. Like, share, and subscribe to Turbo Rider.